Hello everyone, welcome back to Stylish Design. This video is about the new Halter tops, which are really amazing, super stylish and great to wear all times. In order to watch them all, you have to just take on. Before we move further, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click onto the notification bell, so whenever I'll upload a new video, you will be notified. And I'd also like to introduce to you my Instagram ID, Twitter ID. I'm also on Pinterest. Links to all of them are in the description box below. You guys can follow me there as well. And look at these most stunning and beautiful halter tops, which are really amazing in different beautiful colors. And these also varies from beautiful patterns, designs, colors, styles, and you can also wear it on different outfits, whether it's pants, skirts, tights, jeans, whatsoever. It's an amazing dress. Look at this one, which is a frock halter top, which is pretty too. Look at this with the shorts. And this halter top is amazing with lace at the bottom, and every single one of them is pretty as beautiful in their own way. This is the embroidered hand woven top, which is pretty. And which one did you like the most? You can comment. I would highly recommend those who are looking shoulderless, off shoulder tops, which are really amazing to wear at any time, always beautiful. So what do you think about this one, which is floral yet so elegant and a very beautiful kind of top ideas that you can wear all the time? Probably is one of my favorite fantastic outfit idea, which is halter tops. And which kind of top do you guys like and prefer to wear? Comment down below. And what do you think about knot tops, which is the trending fashion? I think this is the prettiest one. Look at this beautiful printed one halter top, which is pretty, and it's really good to go with these beautiful outfits. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and families as much as possible. And those who have already subscribed my channel and has shared with their family and friends, I'm really thankful to them. And those who are new on my channel, welcome here. I upload all fashion related outfit ideas and all the latest trending fashions, either makeups, outfits, hairstyles, and many more. So if you're a fashion enthusiast, fashion lover, this is your place. Stay on for more such beautiful. That was it for today's video. Thanks for